Okay, weeks 3 and 4. So the lesson is on context clues. Understanding a sentence or text is essential to have the full grasp of the information embedded in it. Okay, may mga nakapaloob na information sa pangungusap. At importante daw ito na maintindihan natin. Okay? Context clues embedded in a sentence or text help in comprehending the meaning it expresses. Okay, mahalaga ang context clues upang maintindihan natin ang kahulugan, okay, ng salita o mga salita sa isang pangungusap. Through context clues, words are associated to get the meaning of the unfamiliar text or the whole statement. Okay, sa pamamagitan ng context clues, ma-associate natin ang salita o mga salita sa kahulugan ng isang mahirap na salita. You are expected to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words based on context clues. Locate the meaning of unfamiliar words and analyze unfamiliar words based on context clues. So sa weeks 3 and 4, inaasahan na kayo ay ma-infer, maintindihan nyo ang meaning ng mga unfamiliar words o mga salitang mahirap, okay, intindihin or hindi nyo kilala base sa context clues. Hanapin ang kahulugan ng mga mahirap na salita. Analyzein ito based sa context clues. Now, let us examine the picture below. What do you think is the profession of these people? How did you know it? Okay? Based on their outfit, okay? Ano yung mga hawak nila? Ano yung suot nila? Okay? I think may idea naman kayo kung ano sila or sino sila sa panahon ngayon. Okay. Learning Task 1. In your notebook, copy the graphic organizer below. Ito. Okay? Then supply the word, information, or ideas that can be associated to the given central concept. So, ang salitang virus. Ano ang mga salita na pwede nating ma-associate sa salitang virus? Okay, mag-isip kayo. Ilang boxes ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Maraming mga salita dyan, no? Magbigay na ako ng isa. Pandemic. Yan. May ano na kayo, meron na kayong isang word na pwedeng ilagay dyan sa box. Okay, so yan ang gagawin natin sa learning task 1. Okay, let's proceed to learning task 2. Infer the meaning or equivalent of the underlined word in each statement. Write your answers in your notebook. Okay, hayaan ko kayong sagutan itong mga sentences dito. Okay, sa learning task 2. Okay, and then sa learning task 3, ganun din. What are you gonna do? Use context clues in figuring out the meaning of each underlined word. In your notebook, identify the letters of the best answers. Okay, so yung mga naka-underlined word, halimbawa, yung number 1, sweltered, ano ang kahulugan nito? Okay? Nandyan kung ate ba, burned, slept, sunbathed. Okay, so kayo na ang magsagot niyan. Okay, ano ba ang context clues? Context clues are important words or phrases in a sentence that helps in understanding the meaning of difficult word or items in a sentence. They provide further information about a word or phrase that helps the reader understand its meaning. Context refers to the parts of a piece of writing that precede or follow a word and contributes to its whole meaning. Okay, so ang context clues daw ay mahalagang salita or phrases sa isang mangungusap, okay, para ma-identify natin ang kahulugan ng isang mahirap na salita or yung first time yung ma-meet, okay, second time man pero nakalimutan nyo ano ang ibig sabihin nun. Nagbibigay pa siya ng iba pang impormasyon, okay, para kayo ay matulungan makuha ang meaning nito. Okay, so there are different types of context clues which include the following. Okay, ang una ay synonym or restatement clue. Ang synonym or restatement clue is a type of context clue that provides the synonyms of words to provide the meaning of an unfamiliar word or words. Ibig sabihin synonym kasing kahulugan, okay? Or restatement clue. For example, Lovie shouts continuously. So, yung bold letter dito, bold word dito ay continuously. Okay? Ito daw yung mahirap na salita. Okay, tuloy natin. Or all the time, and it makes me uncomfortable. Okay. Ang underlined word naman ay ang kanyang synonym. Okay? So, ang continuously daw ay kasing kahulugan ng phrase na all the time. Okay? So, the manager felt remorse. Okay? Ang bold word na remorse ay kasing kahulugan ng shame. Okay? The manager felt remorse or shame for hiring some incompetent employees. Ang sabi dyan sa pangungusap na yan. Pag sinabing remorse, guilt, okay? Or shame. Kasi hindi daw maasahan ang kanyang mga na-hire na employees. So, ang salitang remorse ay kasing kahulugan ng shame. Ang salitang continuously ay kasing kahulugan ng all the time. So, yan ang isang halimbawa ng context clue. Synonym or restatement clue ang tawag dyan. Okay, number 2. Definition or statement clue is a type of context clue that provides direct statement or meaning of the unfamiliar words. Examples. Ossicles are the 3 small bones in the middle ear. Ano daw ang ibig sabihin ng ossicles? Ayan, nagbigay siya ng meaning. Kaya, definition. Ang definition ng ossicles ay 3 small bones in the middle ear. Anton's voice is inaudible. No one could hear it. Dahil itong halimbawa ng pangusap ay isang definition or statement clue, so ang ibig sabihin ng inaudible ay no one could hear it. Okay? Yan ang definition niya. Okay, naintindihan po? Let's proceed to number 3. Antonym or contrast clue is a type of context clue that tells the opposite meaning of the difficult word. It shows contrast. Okay, opposite meaning kabaliktaran. So, halimbawa, Japoy is gregarious, unlike his shy sister. So, ang salitang gregarious ay may kabaliktaran na kahulugan na shy. So, ano ibig sabihin ng gregarious? Kung shy ang sister, si Japoy naman ay gregarious. Okay? The feral dog would scratch the wall, unlike the friendly cat. Feral. Okay? Ang kanyang kabaliktaran na kahulugan ay friendly. Kung friendly ang cat, okay, and the word friendly, ang kabaliktaran ay feral. So, ano ang meaning ng salitang feral? Okay, kayo na mag-isip. Number 4. Explanation or example clue is a type of context clue that provides readers with varying examples to allow them fully examine the unfamiliar words. Words like including, such as, and for example, point out example clues. Okay, so explanation, okay, pagpapaliwanag, or example clue, okay, paano siya malalaman kung gumagamit ng mga salitang including, such as, for example, okay, as words to point out, okay, ay isang halimbawa ng example clue. Example, mammals, including cows, carabaos, and horses, are helpful animals. Ang salitang mammals, okay, ano ang kanyang, halimbawa? Kasi nga, ang number 4 ay example, clue, or explanation. So, gumamit siya ng salitang including. Okay, so ang mammals daw, kasama ng cows, baka, carabaos, and horses. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng mammals or ang halimbawa ng mga mammals. Okay, isa pang halimbawa. As a country in the Pacific Ring of Fire, the Philippines always experiences different natural calamities such as typhoons, earthquakes, and tsunamis. So, ang bold words dito ay natural calamities. Gumamit ngayon ng salitang such as para magbigay ng example clue. Okay? So, ano yung mga examples ng natural calamities? Ito ay typhoons, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Okay, yan ang number 4. Number 5. Cause and effect or reason, result clue. It's a type of context clue that explains the reason and the result of an event or action. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. may signal context clues. Cause and effect or reason, result clue. Okay, example, the city government has implemented a community quarantine because experts want to stop or slow down the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases. Ano ang bold word dito? Ang salitang quarantine. So, ang quarantine, since this is an example of a cause and effect clue, ano ang quarantine? Is it a cause or an effect? Okay, it's a cause. Ano ang effect ng quarantine? Ay, wait lang. Mali. Okay, quarantine is the effect. Why is there a quarantine? Okay, ano ang cause? Paano malalaman siya? May salitang because. Experts want to stop or slow down the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases. Okay. Number 6. Comparison or sameness clue. Comparison, kukumpara or so pag sinabing comparison, singtulad. It's a type of context clue that presents the similarities in meaning or context. Words used are like, as, similar to, in the same way, likewise, resembling, to, and also. So, ano yung mga halimbawa? I love the palate of menudo, like my brother who loves the taste of afritada. Paano mo naman ang comparison ito? Dahil sa salitang like. Ethan is fond of mountain escapade, the same way with Joy who goes on beach adventure. Okay, salitang escapade ay kasing tulad ng salitang adventure. Paano mo nalaman na comparison or sameness clue ito? Dahil sa phrase na the same way. Okay, the same way with. Number 7, inference or general text clue. It's a type of context clue that provides the meaning of unfamiliar words that can be inferred or guessed from the description of the situation. The author provides Non-specific clues often spread over the sentence or number of sentence. Inference or general text clue. Example, I wish I had earplugs. Gusto din sana daw magkaroon siya, meron siyang earplugs. Bakit? To avoid vehicles vociferous noise. So, ang i-infer mo ang salitang vociferous. Okay, vociferous noise. Bakit kaya? Okay? Kasi gumamit siya ng gusto niyang magkaroon ng earplugs. Okay, panakip sa kanyang tenga upang hindi marinig ang maingay na tunog ng mga sasakyan. The administrator's belligerence led to the death of 4 innocent children. Okay. Ang salitang belligerence ay isang difficult term.